Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. Today we're going to make a pumpkin pie milkshake. Yum. I had some leftover pumpkin puree from another shoot, and I thought, what could I make with it? And pumpkin pie milkshake just came to mind. This is the perfect treat to have when you have leftover pumpkin from another recipe. It does call for pumpkin pie spice. You may not have that, but we'll take care of it. Now let's get ready to blend our ingredients. I have a Ninja, it's a Ninja single serve blender, and I have a confession to make. I've never used it before. So let's see what let's see what happens. So first we're going to put in 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Oh boy. And I only had 1 measured out, so we're going to put some more in. And I don't have an ice cream scooper, believe it or not, so I'm using my cookie scooper. All right, so this ice cream has softened up really nicely. So we're just going to add the rest of it in here. And now we'll get our next cup of ice cream in here. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of milk. This is going to help everything get blended together nicely. And we have a 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. This is about what I had left. Ooh, this is very full right now. And now for our spices. We have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and this is our pumpkin pie spice. Now I have to put this in here like this, and it's leaking out, of course. Sorry, I had to clean up. Hey, I'm being raw and transparent, right? So now I think what I have to do is add this to the bullet, Ninja bullet, and blend. Okay, I didn't make too much of a mess. This looks so good that I'm not going to wait. I'm just going to try it right now. Here we go. And I even have whipped cream readily available. Imagine that. Oh. It tastes just like pumpkin pie. I'm going to try and get this nice and pretty. Okay. Now let's put some whipped cream in here. Yum. What I thought might be fun is to crumple up some graham crackers and put those on top. And there you have it, a pumpkin pie milkshake. Little whipped cream, little graham crackers. My tummy's happy. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for pumpkin pie milkshake. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.